Nabisto ng Labor Department na walang kaukulang permit si resigned basketball head coach Tab Baldwin simula pa nang siya'y magtrabaho sa bansa noong 2013. Kaya naman, subpina ang haharapin ng Ateneo. Nagbabalik si Mike Carazon para sa detalye.
Umamin si Coach Tab Baldwin na wala siyang hawak na permit para legal na makapagtrabaho sa Pilipinas.
Do you have an alien employment card?
You are correctly arguing.
Answer is no. So, you have never possessed an AEP since 2000. What was the date you mentioned a while ago?
2013.
Sa public clarification session ng DOLE, lumabas na wala sa listahan si Baldwin sa mga merong alien employment permit na siyang kinakailangan para sa isang foreign individual na gustong magtrabaho sa bansa.
I do not have a completed application form, a stamped application form, but to my recollection and to my habits, I would be very sure that I would have followed through filling out the AEP form. I just don't have recollection of what happened after that.
Paliwanag naman ng kanyang abogado, hindi na kinakailangan ni Baldwin ng alien employment permit dahil meron na siyang Alien Certificate of Registration na na-issue noong 2016. Pero 2013 pa nang nagsimula magtrabaho sa bansa si Baldwin.
Coach Baldwin is happy to answer your questions and provide documentation relating to the subpoena dated June 15, 2026. Which directly relates to him allegedly not having an active AEP. We would be happy to answer questions and provide documentation
I'm asking
on
you a
other.
question now. I'm asking you a question now. Your verified answer seems to provide a gap sa Tagalog, may kulang.
Para linawin ang hindi pagkakaroon ni Baldwin ng alien employment permit, nakatakdang mag-issue ang DOLE ng subpoena sa Ateneo de Manila University para sa hearing sa July 9. Para sa Agenda, Mike Carazon, Billionaire News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.